Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technology Glance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change the outfit of your avatar on Snapchat.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technology Glance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on the hanger emoji. Now, select the outfit you want for your avatar. And once you are satisfied with the outfit, tap on save. And that's it. Now, you have a new outfit for your avatar. You can also share outfit by tapping on the share outfit option with your Snapchat friends.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.